Unboxing the Sony personal audio system cfd-s70 mega bass. Alright, let's go. Let's do this. It's come nicely wrapped up. What we got in the box? We have the plug socket, an instruction manual, love doing that. That's how it looks. Yeah, it's actually quite nice. Let me turn this around. So on the front we have on, FM, AM, tune, sleep. Nice, beautiful display. Volume control. This lifts up. CDs, can you believe it? We still have CDs running. We have an antenna. See how high that goes. Get the signal. Very high. Tucks away quite nicely. Hold it up. Portable. Love it. On the back we have a plug socket, and guess what? Batteries. Takes 6